The magician takes a match, lights it, and changes the card into the spectator's card with fire. This is what it looks like in a trick. The magician shows both the front and back of a deck of cards. The spectator chooses a card. In this case, they've chosen the 9 of spades. The card is placed cleanly and fairly into the deck. There are no breaks, gaps, or anything suspicious. This is all very clean. The magician then waves his hands over the cards, and the top card changes into the spectator's 9 of spades. This doesn't work, so the magician tries this again. He snaps his fingers, and the top card is still the King of Diamonds. The magician places the cards down and reaches for some matches. He lights the match and sets the card alight. The king visually changes into the 9 of spades. This trick requires the following: 2 of the same card, matches, glue, and a special bit of lighter paper that is in the shape of a card. You can buy these from most magic stores. I'll leave a link down in the description from where you can get them. Take the glue and stick it to the flash paper, and then stick the flash paper to one of the cards. Only place the glue on a tiny part of the card as it does not burn. Now place the gimmick card on top of the deck. Place the other card on top of the gimmick card. You now need to force this card onto the spectator in any way you like. A force that I like to use is this one. Slide off the top cards and then spread them out. Tell the spectator to touch the back of any card. Whatever card they touch, just slide the double on top of it and it will look like they've selected the 10 of clubs. Give this card to the spectator. Place it back into the middle and tell your spectator that it's going to jump to the top. Turn over the top card to reveal that this is not the case. Keep doing this as many times as you like. Then when the time is right, light the top card and it will visually change into their selection.